Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today, the Decorated Tea Party Club, hosted by Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with her co-host, whose information I will link down in the description box, so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators are bringing you today to get you ready for the Christmas holidays. And today we are starting off with a little Christmas tea party, showing you how you can entertain your family and friends with a spot of tea. So today I am going to be showing you my friendship tea party, and I'm going to start off with showing you how to make friendship tea. This is the spice tea that I was talking about in several videos, and I'll link those videos down in my description box so you can go back and watch those as well. But I told you that I would show you how to make the friendship tea, and so I'm doing that today. I'm going to start off with that, and then these will be little takeaway gifts for my guests to take home with them to enjoy tea in their own home. So we're going to start off with these ingredients. The ingredients are, Lipton powder tea, Tang, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and ground allspice. And I'll give you the measurements down in my description box. So I'm going to take about a cup and a half of the powdered Lipton tea, and then I'm going to be pouring in a full, I think it's 32 ounce of Tang. Once again, I'll give you the more accurate measurements down in the description box. And then I'm going to add the ground cinnamon, the allspice, and the ground cloves. And I'm going to mix that all up together, and voila! It's so super easy, but such a awesome gift to give your friends or family to take home with them to enjoy it in the comforts of their own home. So guess now I'm showing you this beautiful crimson red stoneware cup and saucer set, and the cream and sugar set that my sister thrifted from a local thrift store. She got the cups and saucers for 50 cents each, and then she got the cream and sugar set for $2. So I'm going to be showcasing how I styled that for my friendship tea party today. So guests, I hope you enjoyed seeing my friendship tea party today. And if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And please don't forget to go over and visit the other participants in this collaboration. They are going to be bringing you some beautiful, creative Christmas ideas on how to decorate for a tea party during this Christmas season. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.